How to use updated widgets and lock screen customization in iOS 18.3. On your home screen, scroll down from the top right corner. This will bring up your lock screen, and if you tap and hold on your lock screen, you will see an interface like this. If you swipe all the way to the right, then this will appear. If you tap on the plus icon, you can create another lock screen. Tap on the plus icon and you can see all these new wallpapers. On your lock screen at the bottom, click on Customize. Now this kind of interface will open. If you tap on your lock screen, then you can add new widgets. Here you will see all the new widgets that are available. Along with that, you can even set the font size or font color of your lock screen. You can even remove any of these icons by tapping on the minus icon next to the icons. You can do all these customization on your lock screen. There's also another feature available. Go to your home page and tap and hold on it. Click on Edit at the top left corner and select Customize. Now you can change the size of the icon and even the colors. There is light, dark, automatic and tinted. That's all for today. Thank you.